hearts have been too better, our souls have been too warm. We've lost the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. Oh, why should we have said that this could never happen to us? How long could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, a broken down offense. So set a seed of debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. We cannot retrieve. Used to be so easy, it used to be so good. We had an understanding that got misunderstood. I thought we were survivors and we never would go down, but now we're just outsiders as our love comes tumbling down. Victims of love, a broken down offense. So set a seed of debris scattered everywhere. Victims of